In my time I've been to the Falklands. Biloxi is actually my first operational deployment. There's quite a lot that the security team oversee. It's probably more than what meets the eye. As RAF Police on operations, we do the likes of law enforcement, and then you've got the protective security side, which encompasses personnel security, physical security, information security and document security. I studied public services at college, and I always knew I wanted to be in a uniformed service. Running seems to be my thing out in Romania. However, the gym hugely helps, especially being away now, missing the cricket season. Getting yourself into exercise just helps you decompress from the pressures of work. I wanted to commission probably at the 4-year mark into my career. I wanted to give it a shot, and it takes a lot of work, takes a lot of revision to put the paperwork in and then to go to OASC. I think being in the police for so long, it's broadened my horizons for the things that we encompass as police, so the likes of welfare, discipline. Being non-commissioned police is absolutely going to help me be a people ops officer. If I were to say to someone who wanted to join the RAF, I'd say go for it. I think it gives you a lot of opportunities, a lot of leadership skills and experiences, and you can go and travel the world as well as getting paid.